Hi everyone, it's Frances again from York County Library in South Carolina, and I'm here with another Easy-Peasy Lego tutorial. This one is for an evergreen Christmas tree, and it's one that you could make as an ornament and hang on your evergreen Christmas tree. So let's get started. The pieces that you're going to need to make your evergreen Christmas tree is a 1x2 green brick with a hole, 2 1x2 green bricks, 4 1x3 green bricks, 6 1x4 green bricks, 2 1x6 green bricks, 2 1x8 green bricks, a 1x2 brown brick, and 10 of the little 1x1 round translucent yellow plates. And if you would like to stand your tree up, you could use a 4x6 flat plate. So to start with, super easy, you're going to take 1x2, put on top of the brown, and you're going to slide 2 1x4s on each side. Then you're going to take a 1x6 and you're going to snap that together there and there. Now that will hold those in place. You're going to take a 1x8, you're going to put it in the middle like so. Then a 1x2 right in the middle, and a 1x4 on each side. Now I've got 2 1x3s, you're going to put those next, and then a 1x8. Now if you don't have a 1x8 green plate, you could use 2 1x4s. You can always substitute with other pieces. Then the 1x4 goes right on top there. Then 2 1x3s there, 1x4, and then the 1x2 with the hole in it. I didn't have a green one with a round hole, but I did have this one, so I used that. Then the little yellow 1x1 plates. These are your candles or lights on your tree, and one goes on each branch. Oops. Sorry about that. And here is your finished evergreen Christmas tree. You can put a cord through the hole at the top and hang it from your tree. Or if you'd like to stand it up, you can put it on a green plate like so and stand it up. There you go. See you soon with one more Christmas Lego tutorial. Bye. For a little extra Lego fun, here's a challenge. See if you can make this Christmas tree with snow on the branches. Good luck.